Wait, man.
Get your one man, get your one man.
What? What? Can I go on with things? Watch ya. Yeah. Yeah. What y'all? Yeah. Yeah. You know. Hold on there. Why she boxing me in the face? Hold on there. Hold on. A movie time, people. Hold on. We are watch show now. Hold on, the lighting wrong, dog. That look better. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, and we are back in the building, people, with another Vybz Kartel reaction. Like it just dropped just now. We can prove it to you. No views, 200 and something likes, 1 dislike. I would dislike the man video. Go subject to my out in a Spanish. Anyways, people, if you don't react to Vybz Kartel, red eye girl. Me know maybe the girl don't like the sweets. We don't know. You see me, I say the man want the road to 10,000 subscribers, people. Someone want to subscribe to the channel right now. You understand me? We are trying 5K before March ends. So I have like 3 more days. So let me see what I do with now. Gaza fans, run out now, subscribe now, and like up the video. We are trying to reach 2 big likes on that video. 200 likes me I go for. We are dealing with it now. Right now, we get straight into the video, people. Vybz Kartel, red eye. Make us see what I go on. What on time with it? My post is 12 o'clock tonight.
Sleep with your friend.
Wow.
Man, that wrong. Girl, where you come from?
Warrior Films, Jamaica. Vybz Kartel, red eye girl. But hold on, the man said sleep with your friends. And that him say a while ago. No, I hear one man say, no, run back, you know. Start from the beginning, you know. Run it now.
Sleep with your friend, man, that wrong.
Sleep with your friend, man, that wrong. People, yo, normally, me not catch what the man them say in them song because me chat so fast and me chat so much. So me I try listen to what I say right now. You see me I say? So if you sleep with your friend, man, that wrong. That him say a while ago. So you can see what I go on. So basically, a red eye girl. A girl that go sleep with her man friend because her man friend have money. John no star. Run tune.
Girl, where you come from?
Yeah. Well, I'm saying them girl that turn good from day one. Cause I know some girl them watch with them fun, so we'll go back look upon them girl. I soon catch the lyrics now. I know I'm reacting things already. I love pause the video and I say if you have a problem, I'm sorry. As some react to my videos, I'm a pause, I'm a chat, I'm a look. Cause I want to see what is going on here. Alright, stop. Oh wait. Stop. No, wait. Stop. For one, them have tattoo. Nothing wrong with tattoo, but me personally, me not like tattoo. Me not put on tattoo. Which one bother auto no? You see me I say? The one with the short hair or the one with the long hair? Too dark skin, man. That chain is too big. Me like the one with the long hair. Me like that one there. And you me look on now. So don't shame me no more. Make sure say that you sleep with a friend, man. Which I don't look at them more for sleep with them friend, man. I know my love, I know my past video for long one people. Sorry, I tell you now again, I some react to things. You see me I say, but which of them look like them are going to sleep with the man? I say the tall year one over here, so the tall year one, you see me I say, she dep on my right, so she dep on phone right too. Me feel say she, you know. Ready.
Don't tell her you're sorry. Oh, sleep.
I saw them go on and after them cheat, and they mash it, go right off your friend body, you know, man. Get them a cheat, you know, that and go up on your friend and go mash up, bad boy. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. No, that not gonna get you, so. You can't go sleep with a friend, man. I expect everything to be okay after that. But yeah, some girl loved with, you know, threesome and them something there. I know about you, know.
Sleep with your friend, man, that's wrong. I'm gonna say a prayer for you. It may be your only reason to...
Does she really sleep with her friend, man? Does she really do it? She walk off a while ago. Let me see what go on a while ago. Why she look so? She look out. Last time I seen her tell me something. Say, I seen her show me something go on at the video already. So I tell me, say, you go sleep with a friend, man. Make sure that you not dog. I'm not lying, do you look fuckable. Move up. I'll talk my nice. Catch up back to the video.
Bottom of the shoes. Same girl where you borrow your clothes. I try borrow your man. She not have nothing to lose. She not live nowhere when she take.
So yeah, obviously, as she me pick the wrong girl. You see the one them look innocent and nice. And them ever do them bumbuckle belt things there right now. Imagine. So you tell me say, she don't want to borrow clothes. But things I don't want to borrow the clothes, you know. My things I don't want to tell you borrow clothes. You tell me say the one that look good and sexy, like she want the good things them. As she go take a little man. Why your breast them look so? Oh, lift up a little bit more, man. You're true.
Man, when she bring him go back road.
Oh, God.
What a girl cold. Oh my God, not the bag of jack for you. That girl they love.
See, that she get man. Your bumbuckle belt, yeah. Tell me, you know that. I want to realize that them money and them music video and them video editor money or them money where I get man to put in a video. You not support the Maga gang, you know, like I want to people like me. I want to the general them look like me, was skinny like me. I want to even me. Call me, you know. The Maga man them. The girl them like Maga man too, you know, them like the muscle builder man them. Look on him. It look like picky rat. The girl them like you, no dog. Them not want it. I must alone them look on right now. I know say any man a work out now, nobody. Girl them want the Maga man them. The girl them want the long Maga tall man them. You see me a we carry the big jumbo longo them. Yeah, they me I say. Well me no boss man. Run through.
Red eye girl, red eye girl, red eye girl, red eye girl. Red eye girl.
Well on this, well on them. No, me get it all wrong now. Me don't know who a cheat now. Because she see one man approach she and she start pre-she now. Make up your mind no dog. Who I go get the bun dog? Who do think I get it? No, so don't watch the video already now. But me no know. I'm my first time I watch it right now. So me wanna who I get the bun. This is like the know of Port Royal. They look cross over the waters. No, wait, I wish part that day. Me don't know which part that day now. But watch video and see what I go. Who don't know already now. Me don't know yet. Me skip through the video now. The video just post. But then I'm sitting here chill. There was something up on Netflix. There you are, Bill. I'm saying notification. I'm saying camera. What go on? Run through.
That girl they love
oh
people.
No.
Red eye girl, red eye girl, red eye girl.
Me did get it right. Me know say she. But you want to go bathroom. After the your man come and talk to you, you get a man for program you already, right? And as you see a black ugly tall man approach your friend, you get jealous. John was star. Heard sometime for some of them girls, yeah. Right now, me have to turn up all notifications in the camera. So generally, them are running from Instagram and I say, yo, reaction boss. Oh, Bumbo now. I say I shout out my virgin personally. Anybody who did comment from my last video, comment image, react to Massacre goddamn music video just now. What name? The Escobar. Big up yourself. You see me as a bro, people, you can find him down in the comment section. You see me as a demand on every reaction in every comment section. General. Thanks for the support youth. As some more people, as some like people support you thing. You see me I say, yeah man, check him out. Him bad. Ready it.
Red eye girl,
Red eye girl.
I'm gonna say a prayer for you.
Oh yeah, I pray for them. Man, drone, which part is? I Jamaica this dog. Them also stay good in man. Them also turn good. Alright, run back.
Gonna say a prayer for you.
Oh yeah.
You need counseling. Every ounce of it. Leave people things.
But now she can't find dates now, we know. Gone pan dates, no man I spend the pum money now, we know. Man I warm it up, you know. Man I warm up the crutches now, you know. Cause he must not that, you know. If you not that, you know, man, sitting wrong, you know. Man I can't pan date. Yeah, drink red wine, you think wine cheap. You must get knocked. You hear me are saying? Don't rap. Black man I spend money for free. Man, you might pay a pum bill. You don't have to pay. You don't have to date. You have to go on first. Build up the crate. May I say start it. Warm up the pum. Yeah, man.
You're a counterfeit.
Yeah.
You're a rebel bitch, but I would never wish. Get your one man. Get your one man.
She dress up and say, "Oh, me come for take a girl man today. Me bad and me brave. Me ready for this. Why your man them? I got teeth him. And that she basically I go out with right now. You know that." Yo, me laugh at myself that because we know people laugh at me. Yo, calm it down. Calm down the vibe style. Level the vibes. Right, June.
Get your one man. Get your one man.
Yeah, get your one man.
Understand yourself. Understand your
act surprised like so we never know so them dead eh. We no fake like. I know some girls really stay dog. Like me know. Oh, why woman stay so? What's your name again? Courageous K. Tell me. People check her out. Girls, any female that watch me and they like beauty and they like the ear and they can't do the ear and they want enough to do the ear by themselves. Check out my friend. She name Courageous K. You see me I say the baddest beauty channel. She want Jamaican. And she bad. Check her out, people. No joke. She bad. She always in the comment section too. Me can tell you that. She bad. But anyways, more you answer my question, Courageous K. Oh, I girls stay so. Look, you know. Look.
self-understand yourself. That girl
You see
that?
that?
People think. Red eye girl.
Why you no tan so? No, me not say you stay so. But why girls stay so? Act fake. When they come and look at the girl, man. Why make a man tan so? Tell me. Properly too. Why me I go and say like a girl? No, why? Wrong bang. Demand them. Be a why in the comment section. Be a why. Why? Me I why myself for that. Why? What kind of? Be a why in the comment section. No, why? Thanks. We deserve it. Me know. Run through.
Red eye girl. Red eye girl. Red eye girl. Red eye girl.
No, introducing and
That
thing.
girl they love people.
Ooh. Go on, like, shouldn't. No, me can't understand this now. No, what? You interested in that girl, man, or what? Imagine the man hold your hand, yeah. No, something a go on. Remember how the song start off, you know. Listen, you know. Listen, the song start.
Sleep with your friend, man, that wrong. Girl, where you go?
Remember, you know, hear that how it start? Sleep with your friend, man, no, that's wrong. Girl, where you come from? You see the song start? So me, I try overstand, because we don't understand things now. We try overstand things now, you know. Right? Why she act so after all of this bumbuckle belt things? Catch them back yet?
They love people think.
Watch her go on. Watch her like this now on the big BBC.
Red eye girl.
Red eye girl.
Red eye girl.
She look like one of my ex them, me nah lie. She look like one of my ex them for real. I don't like red wine though. She look like one of my ex them for real. Me nah, no joke. She look like one of them. That's what she done too. I joke me I make. Red tune.
Red eye girl.
Red eye girl.
I'm gonna say a prayer for you. It may be your only reason to change. Correct.
Why him left? Why him left? Why is he leaving? I want to link later. What? Wait. Things start go on that time now.
Girl, where you
Them a chill, yeah? Alright. Them a chill.
She not live no.
Them a chilling. The friends start chilling on. The man cutting us. So the friends them a chilling on. Them a build back. Them a chat with each other right now. You know. You see me? I say, yeah. Now him start text. Me open another friend my text. You know. Me open him woman. Wait. I want to link later. Obviously, I do next. I friend. Wallan.
When she take the mic, when she bring him go back road. What a girl go. Oh my God, like the bag of
Oh. Because anyhow, I did that one over there, so the long for anyhow, I did the one over there, so no one of me predict say she I get the bone or she cheap on her friend man, you know. Anyhow, the she in my text. Me I go say the boy around. But you as a friend now, look on the friend you have. Oh, if you trust she, me chat too much, you know.
that girl, they love people think. Red eye girl.
Like every man catch her yai. Every man catch her be yai. No sir. You want desperate You need to do? You need to go up on Amazon. Them start sell some man, some fake man. Them can joke in and do just like them real, you know. You need to go up on Amazon and go find a good man. Go find one of them and go, man there. You're not ready if you not other man. Go on Amazon. Them have some nice man that sell on Amazon. But you can find a good man, ladies. Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. Go follow him. But anyways, run through.
Red eye girl.
No man. Do what? Salon and spa. My boy got 3 car, you know. Rub down her back real good, then rub down her battery real good, then he go say, boom! Fill up the pump so time out. He night. I could see what go on at the video because the video is already long enough. So I could see what go on at the end night.
I'm I'm gonna say a prayer for you.
Yeah.
You need counseling.
Oh,
every
God.
ounce of it. Leave
My
it.
girl, I get her ear done, my boy send her roses. Then the friend there so watch her, she hurt man. Like her mother said her roses, they're happy for your friend, see your friend get like a body once in her life. And then you forget about the body. She hurt, look on her face. It hurting her.
Little things, don't be proud of it.
God, it a bun you know. Your friend find man I send her rose and you there so now get not even little thick in your life. Osh, I'm sorry for you, but you need some dick. Run June.
You're a counterfeit, miserable bitch, but I would never wish get the one a man who
Oh, hey, the friend of Robert T do now watch her like, ooh, yes, my God, man, I sent me flowers. She a Robert T in the bumper comment, you know. Got you one set up in the end. Hold on, Ross. Wait, man.
get your one a man, get your one a man.
What? Can't go on with things. Watch ya. Yeah. Why y'all? Yeah. You know. Hold on there, why she boxing me in the face? Hold on, a movie time, people. Hold on. We are watch show now.
Where did my best friend?
Let me see that bag of man at the club. What you mean?
Yeah, that's in our roses.
Which rose? After me that's on a rose.
That's in our red rose.
Where that come from? No. After I know me send on a rose.
So,
I'm to the rose when me send you.
send who? I never received a rose.
Me not
Say in
send
love
on
with
a
her or
rose.
something?
No. After me not send on nothing.
That little whore. Don't look for me neither, you're whore too.
What the bumbo kubel just gone? So after she get... Ladies, you see on no tan too bad. Big up on yourself, thanks for watching the video. I'm gonna go on something for comment and see if you watch the video to the end. Bang, bang, boom, bang, 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 boom. What Tyrekevlogs reacting to Massacre? So you know I'm wanting to comment right now. I want to comment reaction boss. Anybody miss a comment reaction boss like reaction boss in capital letters? Be sure to know personally in my next video. Big up your bumbuckle bell self. It's a boy Tyrekevlogs.